Hello friends, welcome to Kishore English Info e-learning. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, modal verbs. Verb generally plays a vital role in making a sentence meaningful, and at the same time it shows state of being, position and actions of a subject. But modal verbs are used to show specific purpose in a different context. To speak politely, to make a request, to seek permission, and to show we use these modal verbs. In fact, they enrich our communication more beautiful and smoother. Friends, before we discuss in detail, please I request all of you to subscribe our channel if you are a newcomer and click a bell icon to get notifications, like and share with your friends. The following verbs are modal verbs and they show permission, ability, possibility, suggestion, advice, promise, intention, request, necessity, compulsion, prohibition, wish or prayer, duty and obligation. The following verbs are segregated into three in colors. Will, shall, can, may are used in a simple future tense. The words which are red in color are past tense, future perfect tense form. Used to use for past habitual actions. Dare is a courageous actions. Need is a necessary actions. Ought is a responsibility actions. We use them. They play a vital role in our communication and to express our emotions. And what we can call them as? We call them as modal auxiliary verbs. Today we are going to discuss much detail about can, which shows a permission, request, offer, possibility, ability and not allowed actions. Primarily we use can for a more request form. So let us see in detail. I can speak 3 languages. She can play the piano. These 2 sentences indicating the ability of the speakers. Can speak, can play or ability of the speakers. Can I help you shows an offer. I can sign this letter. I am doing it. So I am giving an offer. Coming to possibility, smoking can cause cancer. It can get very hot here 2 days. Get cause, can cause. These are all indicating possibilities. So the sentence showing possibility. Can you give me your pen? Can I go to school today? We are making a request. Can you? Can I go to? So asking in the request form. And how to use them in not allowed actions. The words which are in negative form, you cannot drive fast, you cannot speak, you cannot smoke, you cannot do that. All these negative sentences indicating not allowed actions. Coming to permission, can I borrow your textbook? Can I speak to Razu? So we are seeking a permission. So we use a different context, the usage of can. And in the coming videos, we are going to discuss other modal verbs in detail. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe our channel, encourage and support. Kishore English Info is our channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.